Hello and welcome to another episode of Dig Small Engines. Now in this little episode we're going to have a butcher's at ring gaps on a 2-stroke engine. So let's get into it. Right, so the rings have obviously got to be removed from said piston. You've got 2 rings on most 2-stroke units. Your top rings, the compression ring, and this second ring is your wiper ring. The combustion ring just seals the combustion chamber, and your wiper ring, one of their roles is to clean any excess oils off of the cylinder walls. Now on this 020 AV, I'm not entirely sure of the specs. I've had a look, can't find it, but I'm guessing, so I mean I don't know the age of how long these rings have been in situ, but I'm guessing the specs are somewhere between 11 thou, 20 thou for both rings. So be very mindful, unless you've got some piston ring removal tool, not to break your rings, because they're quite brittle. Just be mindful. So I'll get rigged up, because I've got the camera in one hand, and we'll have a butcher's at the gaps. I'll start with 12 thou. Compression ring is now, I'll bring this up to you so you can see. It's got to sit snug. Not quite snug, so we'll drop down to, let's try 11 thou. There she is. You want a bit of resistance. As you can hear, there's a bit of resistance there. See if we can snug 10 thou in. Because if we can avoid changing these, well, I probably will change them out, but let's try 10 thou. At some point, this is just for the purpose of it's not quite snug. 13. It's better. So I'd suggest that compression ring, carefully move around, is within spec. Let's gently make our second ring in, or our wiper ring. Bit of debris on there. Try the 13 thou. If anyone does know the specs of this 020 AV for the ring gapping, let me know, because I've had a butcher's and I can't establish what it is and what they're supposed to be. That's snug at 14 thou. Obviously the rings are worn, you're going to have potentially low compression, misfiring of the saw, but it's just a general ring gapping, how you go about it. Obviously establish what your specs are. Unlike myself who's tried, but so if anyone does know, drop it in the comments what the ring gap specs are for this 020 AV. unit. If you like this little episode, Dick Small Engines, give us a like, share and subscribe. Until the next one, take care. Ta-ra for now.